So hello and welcome back to another video, and today, well, I'm going to do a whole series on UV and banknotes because it is a major security feature, probably in the polymer series as well as the banknotes from the 80s and 90s. Now the old paper banknotes don't seem to have UV, which is actually a pity. Okay, so the first polymer banknote we have is in 1988, $10. So if you check the UV on it, the only thing I can actually see is this serial number down below. Okay, I don't see any other feature on this side. And on this side, no, it doesn't seem. So it looks like they're not relying too much on the UV for this banknote. It is just for serial number. And they're probably relying more on the fact that it's plastic and also this window with Cook's head on it. So that's basically it for the actual $10 banknote. So these are AB, so the general circulating series. So 94, so this is the first run. And what we saw before, so as you can see, these are getting a bit damaged. So that's the problem with them. That window actually broke a lot easier. So here's the folder series. You can see the only security feature that we have here for UV is the actual serial number as well. So it would have been good if they'd done a UV like maybe they'd done the original boy, or even this image in the background, or even the totem pole, or even just the ship, or maybe one of these people in the background. That would have been very interesting. Or even just that date as UV. So that, well, it is a nice background, the UV is actually quite disappointing on it. And you can buy these for about $30 to $40 uncirculated. The folder I think is about $40 or $50 now. If you purchased them like 10 years ago, they were like $30. But I keep them all together. Why not? I'm not going to sell the folder. I'm not going to sell these. These are actually part of my collection. Anyway, that's just a quick video on the 1988 banknotes, and I will go through the actual older series and see what UV you can actually find on them. Anyway, thank you and